Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Chris. This is Driven by Boost. Today we're going over the exhaust. It's the AWE catback exhaust system. It is valved. They call it the AWE Switchpath Exhaust, and it's paired up to the APR downpipe. It does come with the remote. Here's what the remote looks like. It's got an off and an on switch. And the thing about the remote is that the car always stays with the valves closed when you turn it on. So you always have to open them up every time you turn the car back on. It stays closed, which isn't a bad deal. It's kind of like a quieter startup. So we're gonna do a couple drive-bys here. We'll do a cold start, we'll do a warm start, and then I'll show you guys what it sounds like with the valves open and then with the valves closed. Thanks for coming today, guys, and we'll get to it. to normal driving in sport mode. You can kind of hear the pops and bangs are a little bit muffled right now. I'm just going to open up the valves here in just a second. I don't know if the microphone can pick it up, but the valves are now open, but you can definitely notice it when you hear the pops. Sounds like with the valves open and kind of from like a harder takeoff. Alright, I'm going to turn the valves off, and this is what it sounds like in the cabin with a hard takeoff with the valves off. Thanks for watching today, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, subscribe. As always, stay tuned for more. Thanks, guys.